Hi guys, it's Kelly. I wanted to share some tips with you today about grapefruit. Miranda and I are taking a class with Dr. Axe, and I learned a whole bunch of new stuff about grapefruit that I didn't know. So hopefully you guys learn a little something today too. So grapefruit is one of the main oils in Slim and Sassy. Uh, the great thing about that is that it's good for sugar cravings, weight management, water retention, metabolism, helps reduce appetite. So if you're trying to cut back on sugar or lose a little weight or just kind of cut out the snacking habits, having grapefruit around is awesome. You can use it in all the ways. You can use it aromatically in your diffuser, up to 5 drops in your diffuser. You can put a little bit on your wrists, on the back of your neck, and or if you feel comfortable, you can use it internally. So I would recommend just only 2 drops internally, and if you're going to use it in your water bottle, make sure it's glass or metal. But you could also put in a smoothie or bubbly water or anything. It's super refreshing, tastes amazing, and it's great for all the above. Another thing I learned that I didn't know is that it's great for lymphatic health. So it's kind of a diuretic and a lymphatic stimulant, so it's awesome for detoxification, which is great all the time, but it can be a good oil to use after hangover. So we all love feeling better if we drank a little too much. Let's see. The other cool thing is that it's great for digestive health and detoxification. Like other citrus oils, it helps, it's a cleanser. It helps to kind of balance out unwanted microbes in the gut. So again, if you feel comfortable taking it internally, you can do that, but you can also make it into a massage lotion with coconut or jojoba or almond, any oil, and then rub it on the abdomen. Let's see. The other one is, well, we all know this, it's just a great air freshener, and it's uplifting because it's a citrus. It's super refreshing, and so it's a good one just to always have around, and it has all these other great benefits. The one thing that I also learned that I didn't know is that it's awesome for cellulite. So who doesn't love that? So if you put a little bit with your body butter or your oil and rub it on trouble areas, it's shown to reduce the appearance of cellulite. So that's awesome. Couple things to just note is if you're going to put it on topically anywhere on your skin, you want to avoid sunlight for 12 hours. That's really important. Any of the citrus oils can be stimulating in that way, and you want to avoid sunlight where you might get a reaction. The other thing is that it has been known to interact with certain pharmaceutical drugs. So if you have medicine that says to avoid grapefruit juice or grapefruits in general, that would also apply to grapefruit oil. And I think that's it. I hope you guys learned something. Get some grapefruit. It's awesome. Bye.